In a peaceful village, between soft green hills and a shining river, lived an old farmer named Harun. He was not rich, he was not famous, and he never tried to impress anyone. Yet everyone respected him deeply. People often wondered how he stayed so calm when life around him was loud, busy, and full of problems. Other villagers rushed from place to place, arguing, complaining, and worrying. But Harun always walked slowly, smiled kindly, and lived with a peaceful heart. One day, a young man named Saif, who had recently moved to the village, came to Harun with worry in his eyes. He had dreams, goals, and plans, but he could never stay consistent. He started work and quit. He made routines and broke them. He tried to stay focused, but always got distracted. Feeling lost, Saif finally came and sat beside Harun under a tall mango tree. "Uncle Harun," he began softly, "I have tried everything. I want success. I want to change my life. But I give up fast. I feel weak. I feel confused. You never look upset. How do you stay so calm and disciplined?" Harun closed the basket he was weaving and stood up gently. "Come," he said. "Walk with me." They walked through a narrow path between green fields until they reached a clear, gentle stream. Harun pointed at the flowing water. "Look at this stream," he said. "It does not rush. It does not stop. No matter what happens, rain, storm, heat, winter, it keeps flowing. Every day it takes the same path. Every day it shapes rocks, smooths sand, feeds plants, and gives life. This is discipline, not speed, not perfection, just steady movement." Saif looked carefully, but still didn't fully understand. Seeing this, Harun smiled and said, "Let me show you more." Harun pointed at the bamboo trees growing nearby. "Do you know how bamboo grows?" Saif shook his head. Harun explained, "For the first 4 years, nothing happens. You water the seed, care for it, and still you see no plant. People think it is useless. But in the 5th year, it suddenly grows almost 90 feet in a few weeks." Did it really grow in a few weeks? No. It grew slowly, secretly, under the soil for years. That is the power of patience and consistency. Even when nothing seems to change, things are changing inside. Saif's eyes widened. He had never heard this before. Harun then pointed to the anthill near a tree. "Look at ants," he said. "They carry things much bigger than their bodies. Not because they are strong, but because they never stop. An ant carries a small piece, takes a break, carries again and again and again. If something falls, the ant doesn't cry. It lifts it again. Humans stop because they feel bored or tired, but ants keep going. That is discipline." Next, Harun pointed toward the sky where birds were flying home. "Birds wake up before sunrise every day," he said. "Not sometimes. Not only when they feel motivated. Every single day. They search for food, feed their babies, and build their nests little by little. That is why they survive. They don't wait for perfect weather. They work daily." Saif listened quietly, feeling each word like a gentle weight on his heart. But Harun wasn't finished. He sat on a rock and continued. "Let me tell you my own story," he said. "Many years ago, I was just like you. I wanted money, status, and a better future. But I never stayed with anything long enough. I would start work, get bored, and quit. I blamed my family, my luck, the village, everything except myself. One day I was so frustrated that I walked into the mountains to meet a wise teacher. I told him all my problems. The teacher listened to all his complaints and then gave him a simple task. Every day for 40 days, he had to carry 2 buckets of water from the river and fill a tank. Nothing more. Harun thought it was too simple. but he followed the instruction. The first few days were boring, and he wanted to give up, but he continued. Slowly, his mind became clearer. He started waking up early, and he felt more focused. On the 40th day, the teacher told him, "You have learned the secret. Discipline is not punishment. It is training. It is love for your future self. It saves you from the chaos inside you." Back at the stream, Harun picked up a small stone and said that if he dropped water on it once, nothing would happen. But if a drop of water fell on it every day for years, the stone would change its shape. This was the power of small, repeated actions. Harun told Saif not to wait for motivation or chase many goals at once, but to pick one thing and show up every day, even when it felt boring or difficult, because life rewards people who stay consistent. As they walked back to the village during sunset, Saif felt hopeful. From the next day, he changed his routine. He chose one simple goal and worked on it every single day. Some days he felt lazy or tired, but he remembered Harun's words and kept going. Slowly, Saif became calm, focused, and confident. People noticed that he was no longer a restless newcomer, but a steady young man, just like the stream that never rushed and never stopped. Saif understood that discipline and consistency had the power to reshape life, just like water reshapes stone, one small drop at a time. One evening, as winter winds passed gently through the village, Saif walked again to the same stream where his journey had begun. The water flowed steadily, just like before. But this time, Saif felt something different. The stream wasn't just water. It was a mirror showing him how far he had come. He smiled quietly. As he stood there, Harun slowly walked beside him, carrying his old basket. "Saif," he said softly, "do you feel the difference?" Saif nodded. "Yes, I'm not the same person anymore." Harun smiled. "You didn't change your life in one day. You changed your day, again and again, and that changed your life." Saif looked at the mountains glowing golden under the setting sun. The same mountains that once felt big and scary now felt peaceful. He understood something deep. Growth is slow, until one day it becomes visible. Consistency is small, until one day it becomes powerful. Discipline feels hard, until one day it becomes who you are. As they walked back, Harun said, "Remember, Saif, the world does not respect people who start fast. It respects people who finish strong." Saif took a deep breath and whispered, "And I will finish strong." From that day forward, Saif lived his life with steady steps, just like the stream, just like the bamboo, just like the ants, just like the birds. People admired him, but he always said only one thing: "I didn't do anything special. I just didn't stop." And just like that, Saif became a quiet lesson for the whole village, a living example that big success is nothing more than small efforts repeated every single day. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to like and share it with your friends. Remember, small efforts repeated every day lead to big changes. Stay consistent, be patient, and never give up. Because discipline isn't always easy, but it shapes your future. Keep showing up, even on the hard days, and you'll see that's how real success happens.